Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. We're going to talk about high ticket affiliate programs in a minute, and so I'll see you soon. Hey, welcome back. And on this channel, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to create more freedom in your life using the power of the internet. And so if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, you can consider subscribing to this channel, right? Just by clicking on the subscribe button. But today we're going to talk a little bit more about high ticket affiliate programs because that's what you're here for, right? So I'm going to share with you 2 to 3 high ticket affiliate programs that I think will help you to change your life, all right? But before we do that, I do want to dive into these affiliate programs a little bit because look, it's not just about finding any old affiliate program, right? And my goal is to educate you a little bit and make some better decisions inside of your online business or your online career or whatever you decide to do if you're trying to create an income on the side. Because a lot of people just talk about rubbish and they talk about, it must convert and the numbers must be good, the metric must be good and all that stuff. But honestly, there's so much more to picking good affiliate products if you want to build a long-term business. Look, if you want to build a short-term business where you're going to be a flash in the pan, you're going to be here today and gone tomorrow, then sure, you can do whatever you want. But if you're here to build a long-term business, then some of these strategies will help you out, okay? So there are 3 main things that I look at whenever picking good high-ticket affiliate programs and any real affiliate program, okay? So let me break this down for you. The first thing is really about, look, the quality of the product is so important. If you're selling junk, then people aren't going to respect you. You're going to get a lot of refunds and you're just not going to be able to build a good reputation online, right? So again, we're building for the long term. We're not building for the short term. Another thing we want to talk about is the commission payout. How much are they really paying out? How does that look like? We'll talk about that. And number 3 is, do they provide you with a funnel and what does that actually look like? How are you marketing this product? Because a lot of the time, it's not just about the program. Listen, if you understand how to market well, you can market junk and still make money. Now, you don't want to do that, but the way that you market is very important. And so we're going to touch on all of these things in this video today, not just about the actual affiliate program, okay, which I'll cover towards the end of the video. So the first thing is, look, quality of product is very, very important, right? And I've had to learn this the hard way. I've been online marketing now. If you don't know my story, I've been online for more than 11 years marketing online. So I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? And unfortunately, when it comes to affiliate marketing, internet marketing, there's a lot of ugly out there, all right? So quality of product is so important in the 3 areas really, okay? So the first thing that you really need to think about is, well, is the training that you're selling, is it detailed, all right? Because there's a lot of training out there where, yes, it's going to cost $1,000 for the product. That's what high ticket is, right? $1,000, $2,000, you might make 50% commissions, which is really, really good. But the training is actually really, really bad, all right? So what kind of product are you selling, okay? Is the training detailed? Have you seen it yourself? Have you been through it, right? Are you a product of the product? The best products to sell are products that you've been through yourself. And for me, I only sell products that I actually know is good. That means I've been through the program, I've invested in it myself, and that's really the best. That's the ultimate, right? Now, some of you might be saying, well, Aaron, I don't really have the money to invest in some of these programs right now. Well, if that's the case, then just do your research. Don't just sell any old product just to make a quick buck, because that's not how you do well in online marketing. Again, that's if you want a flash in the pan type of business that's here today, gone tomorrow. But if you want to build a legacy, right? A business that's going to be here for, 20, 30, 40, 50, more than that years, then you need to do your research. You need to do your homework. You need to be a product of the product, right? So do your research. Is that product you're selling, is it good? Is it detailed, right? Because if it's crap, don't sell it, right? The second thing is the product transactional or is it transformational? This is really important, okay? The product that you're selling, is it just going to be like a click by click? If it's a Facebook marketing product, is it just like click here, click there? It's all tactics, right? Now, tactics come and go. You have to understand that when it comes to marketing online, right? Tactics come and go, but what doesn't come and go is all the hidden stuff and the more holistic view of how that strategy works. Because look, if you give someone a step-by-step strategy, they might not be successful with it anyway, because on the path of implementing those strategies, they will hit roadblocks time and time and time again. It doesn't matter what you're selling someone, whether you're selling someone an affiliate training or a Facebook lead generation product or a video training course. If they don't understand the subconscious conditioning that they need in order to break through with those strategies, they will never be successful. So you need to sell transformational products, not transactional products. Okay, products that just sell the click by click. Most people won't even make it through the program anyway. Does that make sense, right? People will invest $1,000 in a program, but if it doesn't have the right mechanisms to get them through the program, they're not going to finish it anyway. Most people don't even open up the programs that they buy, let alone complete the program. Okay, so make sure the program is good. Make sure it's transformational, not transactional. Okay. Now the other thing is that, and this all leads back to the quality of the product. Would you sell this product to your mom? Okay, that's a big one. If it's so crap that you're not going to be able to sell it to your mom, then don't sell it. That is the wrong product to sell. So these are the filters that you need to put your products through before you decide to sell it to the marketplace. All right. Now there are a lot of unscrupulous marketers out there that won't even bother with these things. But I found that over the last 11 years, again, being in some really bad programs, being in some decent programs, and being in some really, really good programs, this does make a big difference, because essentially if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, you want to sell good stuff to your people. If you sell them crap, you're going to get high refunds. People are not going to buy products from you in the future, and you're just going to build a really bad reputation online. Okay, so make sure you write these things down. Okay, now the second thing is the commission payout, right? How much does it actually pay? Okay, so oops, I didn't fill that out. Okay, so the commission payout is, look, what is the commission rate? Are you earning 5%? Are you earning 10%, like how Amazon pays out, right? I mean, Amazon's an amazing, business, right? But I personally don't like selling Amazon products because the commission rate is so low. It's 10%. If you sold something that was $100, right, price tag, you only make $10. Do you know how many $100 products making $10 you have to sell before you earn $10,000 a month? A lot. Hundreds and hundreds, okay? Which is why I don't like the Amazon affiliate program at all. Now, it's, kind of those micro sales that you want to make, but look, the commission rate has to be decent, okay? Are you earning 30, 40, 50, 60% commission rate on the actual payout? And then based on that, what is the price point of the actual program that you're selling? Is it $500? Is it $1,000? Is it $2,000? Is it $5,000, right? And so when we talk about high ticket, high ticket is, definitely, it's got to be in the hundreds or the thousands. Otherwise, it's not considered high ticket, all right? So take a look at the commission rate and make sure that it's at a decent level so that you can earn the right commission so that you can be profitable inside of your business, okay? Now, the last thing is, do they provide you with a funnel? How are they actually allowing you to sell this program? Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, the first of all is, does it convert? That's really important, right? So if it's a high ticket product, if it's $1,000 product, is it just a simple sales page, or are they selling it via a webinar? Okay, so that's really important. So let's open this up. Okay, what is the sales process? Let me just zoom in a little bit so that you guys can see this a little bit more. Okay, what is the sales process? Is it, if it's a high ticket product, like a $2,000 product, are they selling it through a webinar? Because in order to sell high ticket programs like $2,000, $1,000, $3,000, you must sell it through a longer form sales process like a webinar. So people are on there, they're engaged for 2 to 3 hours, and then they get a lot of value, and then they get, upsold at the end, or they get a promo at the end, right? That's the best way to sell a high ticket product. Or does it have a nice sales process, right? So, does it sell complimentary upgrades, or do they sell random crap? You will see a lot of, high ticket programs out there where the upsells are actually very bad. They have nothing to do with the previous product, and it doesn't add any value. There's no value ladder, right? That's what it's called, okay? They will just add a whole bunch of random crap and, fingers crossed, hope that people buy it, and people buy it, they upgrade, but they get a whole bunch of random products that don't even make sense to them, okay? And they end up being angry, not satisfied with their product, or they'll refund, okay? So if you have a sales funnel where it starts off small, like, $25, then it leads to a $200 product, then a $1,000 product, then a $2,000 product, are the products complementary? Are the upgrades complementary, or are they just completely random? You'll find that there are a lot of programs out there, a lot of product creators create very, very bad and random sales funnels. Now, you might generate a couple of sales, but for the long term, again, it comes back down to a long-term business, right? You can't grow a long-term business selling random crap, all right? I hope that makes sense. So these are things that you need to look out for, okay? Then the next thing is, how are you promoting it? Just because something has a good commission payout and maybe it's very detailed and you would sell it to your mom and all this and all this good stuff, right? Do they provide you with a funnel and then how are you promoting it, right? So this is really, really important, and I'm going to zoom into this even more. Are you sending people straight to the sales page? Now, if you're sending people straight to the sales page, it doesn't matter whether this, it covers all of the stuff that we just spoke about. You're not going to make money, all right? You might make, conversion rates of 0.5% to 1%, which means that if you send 100 people to that sales page, maybe one person will buy. This is the quickest way to go broke. All right, that's very important to understand. Okay, so never ever ever send someone straight to a sales page. The way to do it is you want to add value. Okay, how do you add value? Well, you create a simple sales process, all right, by building out your own online assets and promotions. Now, that might sound complicated, but when you learn how to do this correctly, it's actually really, really simple, all right? So, what I want to mention to you is before you pick a high-ticket affiliate program to promote, you must have a good sales process and you must not ever send them directly to the sales page. Even if you're sending someone to a webinar, you must build up an audience where they actually know you. So you have to add a little bit of value to them before you even recommend them to the webinar. If you send people straight to a webinar, you might make a couple of sales, right? If the webinar is really, really good. But again, they might not even know who this person is that you're sending they don't know who the host of the webinar is, right? Now, if you build an audience and they know, like, and trust you, and then you recommend someone to a webinar, you say, hey, this is one of my business partners, or this is my friend, or whoever, and they've got a great product, you're going to get some great training on there. The chances that you'll create or make a sale is a lot higher than just sending people randomly to the webinar or sales page, if that makes sense, okay? Now, having said that, if you've covered all of these points, all right, so if you're like, okay, Aaron, I got it, I need to make sure that the quality of the product is good, I need to make sure that the commission payout is good, and I need to make sure that I am actually, marketing the product in the right way, using the right sales process and the right sales funnel. And you've got all that, but you're like, okay, what should I be marketing, right? So let me talk about some of the high ticket products that I market that are really, really good, okay? Now, there are a lot in the market out there, but I like to sell 4% products, okay? Now, you can just check out the link if you want to check it out right below in the description box. I've got it there in the resources, and you can come to 4%, and they are an entrepreneurial website that basically has a whole bunch of amazing programs, okay? Now, you can become an affiliate, and they generally start out at about 30%, and as you sell more product, they will scale up your commissions, but they've got some really, really good products, okay? So two of their main products, one is called Internet Traffic Academy, where you can learn everything about generating leads to any sort of online business that you want. Okay, so if you have an offline business, you want to sell it online, or you're an affiliate marketer, or you do MLM or whatever, it doesn't really matter, any industry, real estate, affiliate marketing, dating, weight loss, whatever you want, this program will teach you how to drive leads and convert those leads into sales, okay? Now, this is a $5,000 program. At the time of recording, this is slightly cheaper. It's on a promo right now. It's a $1,000 program right now, but it will become $5,000, okay? And I'm kind of blocking it on the side, but it doesn't only cover traffic, it covers list building, copywriting, and tribe building as well, okay? So it's a very, very comprehensive product. It's very, very detailed. There you go, okay? On the right-hand side, see? Tribe building, conversion mastery, copywriting, list building, and internet traffic. So it teaches you 8 to 10 different traffic sources, which is really, really amazing, right? So this is one program that you can market. Another one is Affiliate Marketing Academy. This is a $1,000 product, right? Super detailed in teaching you how to become a very, very successful affiliate marketer, okay? This is the program that I used to break through with in 2016. This is the 4th version. See, it's a $1,000 program right there. And you can become an affiliate of it if you want and market it. This is a super deep training program, probably probably the deepest affiliate marketing training program that I have ever seen online. Hours and hours and hours of content, and don't be put off by that. The quality is super duper high. So if you want to check out some of these 4% products, and look, I own all these products, I've vetted them, I've had amazing success with them. So if you want to become an affiliate of these programs, then you can just click the link in the description box below. Check out 4%, and they've got a whole range of other, medium to high ticket programs that you can market yourself if you want. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you're like, Aaron, well, this sounds all great and good, but I would like to learn how to also, not only pick great products, but I want to learn how to market them as well. How are you actually promoting stuff, right? That's really, really important. And in fact, I think this is the most important thing, because even if you find great programs, but you don't know how to market it, then you're in big, big trouble. Okay. So if you're like, Aaron, thank you for recommending these great products, but how do I actually promote stuff online? Okay. So this is really the key. Adding value and building your own online assets and promotions so that you can sell pretty much anything that you want online. And if you're like, I would like to learn how to do that, then I would love to teach you how to do that. Okay. So at any time, if you want, you can click the link right below this video and you will see a link to my website, and I've got a free training program where I will teach you how to do all this stuff, how to add value, how to build all your online assets out, how do you really become a great marketer so you can go out there and sell pretty much anything that you want. So you can check that out if you want, okay? Also, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. So in the comment section below, let me know your comments, give me some likes, and if you thought that this was a great video and you can help other people, I would really appreciate it if you could share this video as well. I hope you got a ton of value and you learned a lot from this video today. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you very soon in another one of my videos in the future. Take care.